you're going to need a bowl, a bunch of these little measuring spoons. Also, you're going to need a measuring cup. I am using 1/3 cup. Make sure you don't forget about the baking powder, a spoon, some shaving cream, contact solution, and of course glue. We're going to start out making the most basic slime, which is literally just slime. Start to pour the glue into the bowl and choose your favorite color. I chose a yellow color for this, but it kind of came out like a peach, but it's still cute. I like it. Once the color is mixed in completely, we're going to be adding some baking powder. Now, I was completely worried at first, but don't be alarmed if your mixture gets a little chunky. It's going to smooth out towards the end. The last thing you have to do for your slime is add a little bit of contact solution. The contact solution is the activator for your slime, but if you want your slime to be a little bit more stretchy than usual and you want it to smell good, you can add a few pumps of lotion. I wanted to say more than 3 pumps. When it looks like your mixture is starting to come together, add a little bit more contact solution and then pick it up with your hands. You're going to knead it for a little while and it's going to be pretty sticky. If you find that your slime is still sticky, just add a little bit more contact solution. Make sure you don't add too much though, because you can definitely ruin the slime. Okay, so when the slime's not sticking to your hands, that means it's done. So I hope you guys had fun. This is the first simple slime we are doing. The next slime we're going to be doing is the fluffy slime, which I love doing. You guys already know that, but let's get to the video. Go ahead and pour in the glue. After that, we're also going to add shaving cream, about the same amount. You can add a little bit more if you want, but don't go too crazy with it because it's going to not come out right. It's going to come out like too slimy and nothing's going to hold together. If you want your slime to smell good, add some foam hand soap. It has to be foam. It's going to ruin it if it's not. Time to make your slime pop with some color. I'm adding blue, which is one of my favorite colors. When you're happy with the color of your slime, we can add baking powder. I added about a tablespoon. The last thing you need to do is put in the contact solution, which is your activator, and combine everything together. Once it's fully combined, you can start kneading it in your hands. Like I said before, it's definitely going to get sticky, but that's part of the fun. Congratulations, you just made fluffy slime, which is so fun, so stretchy, probably my favorite slime. Yeah, definitely my favorite slime. Alright guys, that is it for the video, and if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below.